Say string handling, arrays, and IO operations in Java. See, in this session, we are going to discuss three topics. First topic, string handling. String handling in Java. Next, Java arrays. Java arrays. Next, input and output operations in Java. Input and output operations in Java. Okay. Say first I am taking string handling in Java. String handling. Say, just a minute. What is string? String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. String may have alphabets, numbers, and special characters. Say, what is string? What is string? String is a sequence of characters. String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. Written in double quotes. Okay. Next, string may have alphabets, numbers, and special characters. See, string may have alphabets, next numbers and special characters. Special characters. Example, within double quotes, India. In the string, all are alphabets only. It is string only. Next, 1, 2, 3. This is also string. 1, 2, 3. Next, for example, India 1, 2, 3. Alphanumeric. Next, India star. Special character. Next, India 1, 2, 3 star. Alphanumeric and special characters. Next, suppose only special characters. Next, string may have one or more words. Suppose selenium testing. Next, see sentence also. Suppose test automation using selenium and Java. This is also string. Okay, na Santosh, are you following?
Sir.
Okay. Next, data types. Data types in computer programming. Just to recollect, data types. Data types in computer programming. Computer programming. Say numbers. This is general term. Technical terms. We cover numbers using integer, next float, double, etc. data types. We cover numbers using integer, float, double, etc. data types. For example, integer 100. This is integer. Next, integer data types. What are the other integer data types? Pradvipal, see, memory point of view, we have 4 types of integer data types. Suppose if it is short integer, we use byte.
Yes, sir.
Next, medium, short, some more, int. Next, if it is long integer, long. All are integer data types only. Next, floating point values. Floating point, or you can say decimal values. Decimal values. For example, 1, 2.345, etc. Say in Java we cover decimal point values using float and double data types. Memory only difference, if it is small float, small decimal value, we use float. If it is long, double. See, float, next, double data types. Next, if it is characters, single character. Example, A, or small a, or 1, or special character. We use character data type, char. Suppose char data type. Next, Boolean, logical values. Boolean, or you can say logical values. Say true, true or false. True or false. See, to cover Boolean values, we have Boolean data type in Java. Boolean data type. Next, all these are primitive data types. Next, string. String is object. It covers a series of characters. Say, we covered all types of data na, Pradvipal. We covered all types of data na. Hello? Why you are not responding?
Yes, sir.
We covered all types of data na.
Yes, sir.
Integer type, floating point values, character type, Boolean type. Next, series of characters. To cover series of characters, we have no data type. Primitive. We have no primitive data type in Java. For that, you can use strings. See, string. String is object in Java. String is object. Okay. How we cover strings? Using string object. Say once again, we cover numbers using integers and float double. We have 4 integer data types: byte, short, int, long. We have two types of floating point data types, float, double. Next we cover characters using char. We cover boolean values using boolean, and we cover this is string type data using string object. String object. Just a minute. Creating strings. Creating strings. Uh, Launch Eclipse. Create a Java class. Suppose sample. Generate main method. Say string. Say capital letter. Yes, capital letter. String is predefined class. String my tool. String my tool equal to my tool is string name. For example, selenium. What is the problem, Sridevi? Madhuri, can you hear me? Santosh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Any problems? My voice, Prithvipal?
Yes, sir. I can hear you clearly.
Okay, Madhuri. Madhuri. Aarti.
Yes, sir. I can hear you perfectly fine.
Okay, cool. Sridevi, problem from your side. You disconnect and connect again. You check your voice device. Sridevi, can you hear me, Sridevi? Hello? Sridevi, disconnect and connect again. All of you put mute. All of you put mute. See, somebody's to make noise, avoid the disturbance. Who is that caller one? Hello? Caller one. Hello? Okay. Madhuri, can you hear me? Madhuri not responding. Hello? Praveen Rao? Praveen Rao, can you hear me? Hello? Why people are not responding? Praveen Rao, can you hear me? Say string. Next, create array, string array. Say string square brackets. For example, my tools equal to open curly braces. Suppose selenium. Next, UFT. Next, RFT. Next, silk text. Close curly brace, semicolon. Next, print string. Suppose my tool. Next, print array. Pradipal, print that array. Yesterday we discussed enhanced for loop na. Using enhanced for loop, print that array.
Yes, sir.
Using enhanced for loop, print array.
Yeah, system out.
Just a minute. Array of strings. Array of strings. Continue, Pradipal. Print array.
System
System
dot
dot
out
out.
println my tools.
How to print multiple values na using enhanced for loop. Say for declaration, suppose string type data, string, suppose ABC colon
Array.
my tools
Array.
on curly braces. Now display statement
Yep.
ABC. Run the program. First output selenium. First selenium string. Next remaining 4 values string array. String
So
array.
that is the enhanced loop when print.
Pardon?
You have to use an enhanced for loop
Yes.
for the print value.
Yes.
Okay.
We have to use enhanced for loop for printing arrays. Okay. Next, creating different types of arrays. Create different types of arrays. Just a minute. Create different types of arrays. Creating arrays. Creating different types of arrays. Strings. Create different types of strings. Say string str1 equal to India semicolon. Next, string str2 equal to 123. Next, just a minute. Next, string str3 equal to India 123 alphanumeric. Next, string str4 equal to just a minute. India and special characters, alphabets and special characters. Next, string str5 equal to India 123 and special characters. See, here no output, no syntax error. You can use multiple words also. See, string str6 equal to test automation using selenium. Next, operations on strings. Here I will introduce some important operations. In built-in methods chapter, we will discuss some more methods on strings or operations on strings. In this chapter, I will introduce some important operations only. In built-in methods chapter, we will discuss remaining methods. Operations on strings. Operations on strings. See, first one, concatenating strings. Concatenating strings. See, using plus operator, we can concatenate strings. See, observe. Just a direct example. String str1 equal to selenium. Next, string str2 equal to uft. Next, concatenate. Suppose SYSO control space enter short form for display statement or output statement. str1 plus str2. See, output is selenium uft. If you want space, here you can use space. Otherwise, after selenium also you can use space. Next, using concat method also you can concatenate. Using concat method, using plus operator or concat method. String 1 dot type C, select concat another string 2. Same output, selenium uft. Next, you can use direct values also. Direct values. Suppose selenium space plus again double quotes uft. Say output same, selenium uft. Next, observe Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Suppose selenium plus 1 plus 1. What is the output? Here observe. See, string plus string plus string, concatenation operator. That plus operator acts as concatenation. Next, string plus integer. See, operators evaluation from left to right. In computer programming, general evaluation of operators is left to right. That is general rule. String plus, but some priorities are there. If any high priority operator is there in right side, first computer program evaluates high priority operator, then general rule. But general rule is evaluating operators from left to right. string, integer, concatenation only, concatenation. Next, integer but string within double quotes, or you can say, you can't say integer, string but number, string but number, plus number. Addition, addition. These are the rules. Now tell me, Santosh, what is the output of this last statement? Selenium plus 1 plus 1. Selenium 1 1.
Selenium 1
Selenium 1 1. See, first it evaluates selenium plus 1. Selenium is alphabets, 1 is number. So concatenation means selenium 1. Next, selenium 1 plus 1. Selenium 1 is alphabetic, 1 is number, pure number. Selenium 1 1. Concatenation only.
Okay.
Next, just a minute. For example, 1 first 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus selenium. This time
11 selenium.
not 11 selenium. 2 selenium.
2 selenium. Okay.
2 selenium. Did you understand? See here,
Yeah.
first left to right, 1 plus 1. 1 number, 1 also number. Both are integers. 1 plus 1, 2 na. 2 plus
Yeah.
selenium. Selenium is string. Concatenation. 2 selenium. Okay.
2 selenium. Okay.
Run the program. See selenium UFT, selenium UFT. Next last 2. Selenium 1 1, 2 selenium. Sridevi, did you join?
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay, cool. Concatenating strings. Next, string comparison. Now we are discussing operations on strings. First operation, concatenating strings. Next, how to concatenate strings using plus operator or using concat method. Concat method. Next, string comparison. Important one. String comparison. String comparison. Say, we have two types of comparison in computer programming. One is two-way comparison, another is three-way comparison. Three-way comparison more clear than two-way comparison. See, just a minute. Two types of comparison in computer programming, not only in Java. Computer programming. What are the two types? You know, first type, two-way comparison. Two-way comparison. Two-way comparison. Two-way comparison, true or false. Yes or no type. True or false. Next, three-way comparison. Three-way comparison. Here, equal to, next, greater than, next, less than. Say, Do you have 100? If it is two-way comparison, yes or no means true or false. I have 100. Yes. I don't have 100. No means false. Suppose if it is three-way comparison, yes, I have 100 means equal to. I have more than 100, greater than. I have less than 100. I don't have 100, but I have something. Say equal to, greater than, less than. Observe, Pradipal, two-way comparison, three-way comparison.
Yes, sir.
Three-way
So if
comparison
you
is
don't have,
some more clear now.
yes, sir.
Praveen Rao, following?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Sir, if you don't have 100, then sir,
Pardon?
false. So if you don't have 100, 0, then
Pardon?
less than.
If you don't have,
Yeah, if you have 0 means like less than 100.
say, if it is two-way comparison, you have 100. 100 means true. Not 100 means false.
Okay, sir.
Less than or 0 or greater than, forget about that. Not 100.
Okay.
If it is three-way comparison, some more clarity. 100, yes, means equal to. More than 100, greater than. Less than 100, less than.
Okay, sir.
Here false means not 100. If it is less than 100 or greater than 100 or 0. True means exact 100. Okay na?
Okay, sir. More clear.
Here equal to means exact 100. Greater than means more than 100 in our example. Less than means less than 100. Okay. You know, result output for two-way comparison, true or false. What is the result criteria for three-way comparison? See, result, this is general topic. Result criteria for three-way comparison. Observe. If, all of you put mute, if string 1 equals to string 2, then result will be 0. Next, if string 1 greater than string 2, then positive value. Say some compilers have written 1, some compilers written positive value, means greater than 1. Greater than 0, greater than 0 means positive value. Next, if string 1 less than string 2, then negative value means less than 0. Suppose in VB script, if string 1 equal to in VB script three-way comparison, string 1 equal to string 2, 0, string 1 greater than string 2, 1, string 1 less than string 2, -1. Here, positive value, negative value, it depends on compiler, and values also dynamic. Just remember positive value, negative value. Next example, say string comparison. In three ways we can compare strings in Java. In three ways. What are the three ways? First one, string comparison using relational operator double equal to, this is relational operator. Relational operator supports two-way comparison. Next way, just a minute. Three ways of string comparison in Java. First one using relational operator, next one using equals method, string comparison using equals. Just a minute. Equals method. This equals method also supports two-way comparison. Next, another possibility, string comparison using compare to method. Compare T capital. Compare to method. This compare to method supports three-way comparison. Okay, na Sridevi, three ways of string comparison in Java. What are the three ways? String is very important for our test automation. Continue.
String comparisons using relational operator, which is double equal to. It supports two-way comparison. And string comparison using
equals method. And it supports two-way comparison only. Next, third one.
Third, I didn't remember.
String comparison using compare to method. Compare to, single word, T capital. It supports three-way comparison. Okay, I will show example. Observe, Madhuri. Observe. Suppose
Yes, sir.
string str1 equals to capital letters selenium. Next, string str2 equal to small letters, same, selenium only. Next, string str3 equal to again capital letters, selenium. Next, string str4 equals to z, selenium. See, 4 strings. Next, compare. First one, string comparison using relational operator. String comparison using relational operator. What is that operator? Double equal to. Single equal to assignment operator. See, display. Suppose str1 equals to str2, str1 equal to str2. Next, str1 equal to str3. Observe Madhuri, first one, str1 equal to str2. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
True. str1 capital selenium, str2 small selenium. Words same, but case different na. How computer program compares two values? Observe one more general topic. See, comparison of values. Suppose if it is numeric values, based on values. For example, 10, just a minute, 10 greater than 3. Which one is bigger? 10 is bigger. How can you say value? 3, 10. 10 is bigger based on value. Next, if it is string type values, string type data, then based on ASCII values, ANSI, American National Standards Institution, American National Standards Institution, ANSI character codes, American National Standards Institution, ANSI. See, based on ASCII values, or you can say ANSI character codes. For example, capital A to Z. What are the ASCII values? 65 to 90. Suppose small a to small z, 97 to. See, these ASCII values not only for Java, for all computer programming language, for entire computer environment, 122. For example, if it is inside string numbers are there, 0 to 9. I think 48 to 56. These are the ASCII values. Now tell me, Madhuri, which one is bigger, capital selenium or small selenium?
Small selenium.
Small selenium. So str1 equal to str2. That is false, na?
Yes, sir. False.
And one more thing, observe Praveen Rao, how it compares. First it takes first letter from both the strings. If first letter in first string bigger, then it declares first string is bigger. Suppose in first letter is same for both the strings, then it considers second string. Second also same, third string, like that. It takes letters one by one only. First it takes first letters from both the strings, then compare. If first letter in first string is bigger, then it declares first string is bigger. It won't check remaining values. Okay, na Prithvipal?
Yes, sir.
Next, str1 equal to str3. Both are capital letters only, na? True. Okay. Next, string comparison using equals method. String is object, we can apply methods, built-in methods using equals method. See, SYSO control space enter, str1 dot equals of str2. Next, just a minute. str1, str3. Observe Praveen Rao, what are the last two outputs? Santosh.
First one is not equal.
First one false. Second one true. Next, just a minute. String comparison using compare to method. Compare to. Observe Pradvipal. Suppose first one, just a minute. str1 dot equals str1 dot equals str2. str2. Just a minute. Next, str1 str3. Next, three-way comparison. Suppose str4 str leave str2. Observe Pradvipal. First one str1 str2. What is the output? Which one is bigger, string 1 or string 2?
False.
False. Here not true or false. Three-way comparison. 0 greater than,
sir.
less than.
So string 2.
Pardon?
String 2 bigger, sir.
String 2 bigger means 0 or positive value or negative value. Concentrate.
Positive value.
Negative value.
Zero, sir. Negative.
Negative value means less than 0. Less than 0. Next, string 1, string 3. Both are equal.
0 value.
0. Next, string 4, string 2. String 4 is bigger.
Yes, sir.
Positive
value.
Positive value. Positive value. Or you can say greater than 1. Greater than 0. Greater than 0. Run the program. False, true, false, true, false, true, false. Oh, I didn't change the method. Just a minute. Change to compare to. Compare to method. Run the program once again. False, true, minus 3207. Okay, na Sridevi, did you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
See, this is about string comparison. See, some more methods also there that we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. In this chapter, we discussed what is string topics, what is string, and creating string variable, creating string array, next concatenating strings, next comparing strings. Next come to next chapter, arrays in Java. Java arrays. Java arrays. Okay. See, array. What is array? What is array? See, in Java, array is an object. For example, in C language, array also variable, scalar variables for storing one value at a time, array variables for storing series of values at a time based on size of the array. See, in C language, array also variable. In VB script also, array also variable. One type of variable. But in Java, array is object. In Java, array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. The length of an array is established when the array is created. Next, array length is fixed. Array index starts from 0, 0 to n minus 1. Say, in Java, array is an object. Array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. If it is integer type array, we can store integer values only. String type array, string type data only. Character type array, character type data only. Suppose in VB script, you can store different types of values. Observe Arti, you know VB script na? In VB script, we can store different types of values. But in Java, single type only. Okay na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Next, the length of an array, is established just a minute. When the array is created, next, array length is fixed. Next, index starts from 0 to n minus 1. Next, declaration of arrays. Declaring arrays. Say, first method. First I will show the syntax, then example. Syntax. Data type. Next, array name, square brackets, semicolon. This is first step. Create array. Next, array. Just a minute. Array name equal to new. Array is object. New. Data type. New data type. Square brackets. Within square brackets, size of the array. Example 3, 5, 10, etc. Semicolon. Define size. This is second statement. Next, assign values. Array name of index equal to value. This is assign value. Example. Observe. Create array. First step, int, suppose integer type, int array name a square brackets semicolon. This is just create array. Create array. Next, define size. Suppose a equal to new int of some 3. This is size. 3 means 0 to 2 index. Define size. Next, assign values. Suppose a of 0 equals to some 10. Next, a of 1 equals to 20. Next, a of 2 equals to 30. Like this. Suppose if you want to print this one, print values, a of 0, it will print 10. Next, a of 1 plus a of 2, 50. Run the program. 10, 50. Okay, now Madhuri, are you following? Just run the program. 10, 50. Okay, next, assign values to array elements that more than the size of array. See, same example. Assign values to array elements that more than the size of array. Size of array. See, it will show a runtime error. It is error. What type of error? Runtime error. Runtime error. While writing, it won't show any error. No syntax error. Runtime error. Suppose a of 3, 40. Observe, Sridevi, is it showing any syntax error? No syntax error, no red marking na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, just a minute, ABC. Showing syntax error na?
Yes, sir.
This is syntax error.
Okay.
Suppose 40. No syntax error na?
Yes, sir.
But it is error only. What type of error? Runtime error. While executing the program, it will show runtime error. Observe runtime error. So it is not allowed. Not allowed. Next, assign values to some elements only, not all elements. No issue. You can assign values to all elements or some elements. Based on your requirement, you can use. See, assign values to some elements only. Observe Prithvi. Suppose size
Yes, sir.
7. We can assign 7 values 0 to 6. 0 to 6. Suppose I am assigning just 1, 2, 3. 6 elements, but 3 elements only I am assigning values. No issue. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See 0. Why it is showing 0? A we didn't assign any. A of 0, no value, na? It is showing
Yes, sir.
default value. Otherwise, see A of 3. Run the program 40, 50. See, just I assigned some values to some elements only. No issue. But if you assign more elements, more than the size,
More than
runtime error. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Next, suppose assign invalid values. Assign invalid values. For example, invalid data type. This leads to syntax error. Syntax error. Observe. Observe Aarti. Suppose number only 1.23. Observe. Showing syntax error na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Say it won't allow. Single data type only. Single data type. Syntax error. Next, find the difference. Syntax error, runtime error. Sridevi.
Yes, sir.
If it is syntax error or runtime error, you won't get correct output. You won't get output. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, second method. See, in first method, we used minimum 3 statements. First statement, declare, create array. Second statement, define size. Third step, assign value. If it is multiple elements, multiple steps. Next, in second method, only 2 steps. First, observe the syntax. Syntax. Data type, square brackets, array name equals to new data type, next of size, semicolon. See, declare array with size. Declare array with size. Next, as usual, assign value. You know how to assign values. Array name equals to index. array name of index equals to value. See, example. Example. Suppose int a square brackets. What is the syntax? Int data type square brackets. Square brackets.
Yeah, array name.
Then array name. Okay. Array name, suppose a equal to new
data.
int of suppose 4 semicolon. This is declare array with size. Next, assign values. Suppose a of 0 equal to 10. Next, a of 1 equals to 20, like this. You can assign all elements or some elements. Suppose a of 0 plus a of 1. Run the program, it will show 30. This is second method. Just a minute. Next, third method, single step only. Declare array with size and assign values. Based on values, it will consider size. You no need to define size. Based on values, it will consider size. See, third method. Syntax. Data type, open square brackets, close, array name equals to, we already used this syntax, curly braces, suppose value 1, value 2, value 3, like this, semicolon. Say, declare array and assign values. Based on values, it will consider size. Here 3 values, size 3. Declare array and assign values. By assigning values, we can declare array. Example. Just a minute. Int a, int data type. Data type a equals to, open curly braces, suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 2, 3. Open, close curly braces, semicolon. What is the size of array, Santosh? Size of this array? 5. Suleiman, are you following, Suleiman? See, suppose, observe Madhuri, a of 2 plus, put mute Suleiman, a of 3. What is the output, Madhuri? A of 2, just a minute. A of 2 plus A of 3. What is the output?
70.
Madhuri. Arti.
70, sir. 30 plus 40, 70.
30 plus 40, 70. Run the program. 70. Observe Madhuri. First value A of 0. Second value A of 1. Third value A of 2. Fourth value A of 3. Okay, na Sridevi?
Yes, sir.
Say next. Declaring different types of arrays. Declaring different types of arrays. Just I am following third method. You can use first or second methods also. Just a minute. First, int square brackets a equal to open curly braces 10, 20, 30, 40 close curly braces semicolon. This is array of integers. Array of integers. Next, int square brackets b. For example, equals to int already we used na. Suppose char equals to open curly braces single quote a comma single quote 1 comma single quote, you can use any letter, comma single quote z comma single quotes small a close curly braces. This is array of characters. Array of characters. Just a minute, use comment syntax. Next, string. Suppose string square brackets c equal to suppose uft selenium rft. Okay, semicolon. This is array of strings. Array of strings. Next, suppose boolean. Boolean square brackets d equal to open curly braces. Here true or false only the values. True, false, false, true, semicolon. This is array of Boolean values or logical values. Next, suppose double type. Double square brackets e equal to open curly braces. Suppose 1.234. Next, 34.56. Next, close curly braces, semicolon. Next, array of decimal values. Array of decimal point values. See, these are the different types of strings. Arrays. Different types of arrays. Next, operation, array operations. Here I will introduce some operations. In built-in methods chapter, we will discuss some more operations. Array, just a minute. Array operations, operations on arrays. See, first, print an array using for loop. See, print an array using for loop. Print an array. Just a minute. Suppose integer type array. First, one small operation. Length. Find the length. Suppose here array is A. Array name A dot length. Length is not method. Length is property. What is the output? Sridevi, output. What is the output, Sridevi? Length of this array, A array. Array name A.
4, sir.
4. 4. Next, print this array. Santosh, print this array using for loop. Earlier we used that syntax. In yesterday class we used, and today's class also. Print this array.
For
declaration. This is integer type data na.
Yeah.
Declare one int variable. Suppose int I
colon.
Int I colon array A.
Array.
Open curly braces.
Open braces.
Next.
System dot.
I. Run the program. See, first output, forget about first output, that is length. This 10, 20, 30, 40, printing array. Next, observe, okay, put mute. Observe Aarti, print this array using, this is enhanced for loop. Using just general for loop. Print this array using general for loop.
Okay, I equal to 0.
Just a minute. For int I equals to 0. Why index starts from 0?
0. Semicolon. Array the length.
I less than. I less than. Array name is A dot length.
Length, A dot length. Okay, the value. Okay.
Length, whatever it might be. Semicolon.
I plus plus.
I plus plus. Observe Prithvipal. First one using enhanced for loop. Next using general for loop. Continue, Aarti. Print.
Print A.
What is the array?
I.
A of
I.
I is index. Run the program. See, first 4, put mute. This is length of array. Next 10, 20, 30, 40 using enhanced for loop. Next last 10, 20, 30, 40 using general for loop. Okay, na Sridevi, are you following?
Yes, sir, but little confusing.
Tell me, ask me. Where is the confusion?
The enhanced for loop, sir.
Tell me. This is enhanced for loop.
Yes, sir. While declaring.
This is declaration part. Why
Yes.
we are declaring int variable? That array is integer type array. We need to store integer values one by one. So
Yes, sir.
we need to declare integer type variable colon, that is syntax. A is array name. Next we are just printing that integer.
Yeah, now I got it. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Santosh, are you following? Any confusion, Santosh?
No, sir. Sir, in that one, how do we increment that?
Which one?
In that same for enhanced loop.
Enhanced for loop, no increment concept.
No increment.
No increment. Based on this array, it will iterate. Here array size 4 na.
Okay.
4 times it will iterate automatically. That is internal process. No increment concept in enhanced for loop.
Okay.
Based on that size of array. Here in general for loop we used increment I plus plus.
Yeah.
And length I dot length less than means length minus 1 na 0 to n minus 1. That's why less than length. See, remember, good question. Remember, in enhanced for loop, no increment concept. Based on that size of array, the size of array, it will iterate. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, print, copy values from one array to another. Copy values. Next operation, copy values from one array to another. Observe on direct example. Suppose int a, next one more array, int b equal to a. Observe Pradvipal. By assigning a, I am assigning values of a. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now, just size. Take the size of b array. B dot length 4. Run the program. 4. Suppose earlier we used integer, now this time use string. Suppose string, change the values. Suppose Delhi, London, Mumbai, like this. Here also change string. Length is 3. Now print this array using enhanced for loop. Sridevi, print this array using enhanced for loop. Print B array. We declared B array by copying A.
Yes, sir.
For
loop, sir. parenthesis int.
See, using enhanced for loop. Declaration. Here string type.
Oh,
Array is
string type. Yes,
string
sorry,
type.
sir. String, yeah.
See string. Suppose ABC.
ABC. Okay.
Colon
B.
Open curly braces.
Okay.
Close.
Print.
Print. See, print statement. ABC. Run the program. First value 3. 3 is size Delhi, London, Mumbai values. Next, Praveen Rao. Print this array using general for loop. This time enhanced for loop. Next, general for loop.
For
Praveen Rao.
Hello.
Tell me. For
String.
String. Suppose
string anything like XYZ.
String XYZ.
Equal to 0.
Equal to 0. 0 is integer type na. 0 integer na. How to assign 0? Here string not required, Praveen Rao. Here int only. Praveen Rao, don't confuse Praveen Rao. This int is index. Here in enhanced for loop we use string variable. Why? We need to store string type data. Here we are not storing the data into this XYZ variable. This is only index.
Yeah.
Integer only. Don't confuse. Next.
Yeah. XYZ less than or equal to B dot
less than or equal to not required. Why? Size n minus 1 na. So less than enough.
Less than B dot length.
B dot length. Semicolon.
XYZ plus.
XYZ plus plus.
Less one. You put equal. Second one.
Pardon?
Less than.
Second one you put equal. Less one.
Where is plus 1?
Second one less than. XYZ less than.
XYZ less one.
Less than B dot length.
B dot. Okay.
Less than.
Not equal to.
Yeah.
Less than.
Less than. Yeah.
Okay. Misplaced. Okay. Suleiman. Next. Print.
System dot.
Print Praveen Rao. What is the array name? Array name B. Index
XYZ.
XYZ.
I think we have
square brackets. Square brackets. See, in VB script parenthesis, in Java square brackets. Still it is.
And we missed one curly like block. Block is missing. For block.
Pardon?
After for loop ending, like we missed one block, like brackets.
Bracket. We missed one bracket.
Yeah. Close
curly brackets, sir.
After
XYZ plus plus, there is a curly brackets.
XYZ plus plus.
Curly braces. Block is missing.
Curly braces.
Block is missing. Yes, block is missing. Block.
Just a minute. Int XYZ. B. Where is Sridevi?
Curly braces are there after XYZ plus plus.
Here.
After parenthesis. Next, after that, sir. After parenthesis. Closing the
okay. Open curly braces, not semicolon. Okay. This is a block now. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a for loop is block of code. So curly braces I misplaced with semicolon. Okay. Run the program. Observe first three length Delhi, London, Mumbai using enhanced for loop. Next Delhi, London, Mumbai using general for loop. Okay na, Praveen Rao?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, suppose Prithvipal Singh, suppose I want to copy particular value only, not all values. This time we used all values na B equal to A. Suppose I want to copy particular value, copy particular value of an array. Say how to copy. Suppose I want to copy this London only. Madhuri, I want to copy this London only. How to copy? What is the London index? 1 na? A of 1. Here we have to use this one. Curly braces. Next, print B, only single value. Pradvipal, print B.
Yes, sir. In
B of
brackets?
B of 0.
B of 0 only. London. See, observe, Santosh, copying particular value.
Sir, how 0? I didn't get that 0.
See, you are copying one value from another array. That index position 0 or 1 or 2, forget about that one. Here it is storing in first index na?
Yeah.
Stores in first index, B first index.
Okay.
That's why. Next. Okay. Types of arrays. We have two types of arrays. See. Two types of arrays. One is single dimensional array. Single dimensional. Single dimensional array. Another is multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. See, our test automation point of view, single dimensional array is enough. We don't use multi-dimensional arrays, 2D array, 3D array, etc. Just the concept is there, I will explain. In our test automation, single dimensional array is enough. Okay. How to create single dimensional array? You know that one. Just a minute. Suppose int square brackets array1 equals to open curly braces 1, 2, 5, 6, 9. This is single dimensional array. Next, int double square bracket array 2 put mute equal to open curly braces, again curly braces, 2 curly braces, 2D array 1 3 5 7 for example, comma open curly braces 2 4 6 8 semicolon. This is 2D array. Next, in 2D array, in single dimensional array, just a minute. This is single dimensional array. Single dimensional array. This is multi-dimensional array. Okay, in single dimensional array, I want to print this 6 Madhuri. I want to print 6. How to print?
Be available for very long. Subway. Fresh is what we do.
Okay. You tell me, Aarti, I want to print this 6 in single dimensional array.
System out.
Okay.
Array.
Array 1.
Index 3.
Index?
Yeah, index 3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. It will show 6. Just run the program. 6. Okay. Next, 2D array. Observe Suleiman. In 2D array,
Yes.
I want to print this 1. This 1.
Okay.
Array 2.
Index row. Row is row 0.
Row 0.
Column
Just
1. Column 0.
Column also 0. Column also 0. 0, 0. In 2D array, first value indicates row, second value indicates columns. See, this is output 1. All of you put mute. Praveen Rao.
Yes, sir.
Praveen Rao. I want to print
Yes, sir.
this 6 in a 2D array. I want to print 6.
System.out.println. Yeah, array of.
Array of.
Array 2 of.
Array 2. Array name array 2. Array 2 of.
Yeah. Like
I want to print 6.
6. 1, 2. Yeah. 0, 1.
1.
And the second one is 2.
2.
Yes.
1, 2. Run the program. Yes. Observe Sridevi. I want to print this 7. 7 in this 2D array.
Sir, I didn't get it, sir.
Observe this one. What is the row and column? 0, 0.
1, sir.
0,
sir.
0.
Okay.
0, 0. Next 3, 0, 1.
1, sir.
Next 5, 0, 2. Next 7, 0, 3.
0, 3.
Next 2. What is 2?
0, sir.
2 will be row row 1.
Row 1. Column 0. 1, 0. 1, 0. Next 4, 2, 0. 6.
1.
Not 2. This 2 is 1, 0. 4 is 1, 1.
1, 1.
6 is 1, 2. 8
1,
is
2.
1, 3.
Yes.
Getting
Yes.
Sridevi, row is fixed.
Okay.
Observe.
Okay.
First one, 1. What is 1?
1.
0, 0.
sir.
0, 0.
0, 0.
Next 3,
0, 1.
0, 1.
0, 1.
5, 0, 2. 7, 0, 3. 2, 1, 0. 4,
1, 0.
1, 1. 6,
1, 1.
1, 2. 8,
1,
1,
3.
3. Just a minute. Just a minute. See, observe. First 0, 0, 0. 0, 0 value is 1. Next 0, 1. 3. Next 0, 2. 5. Next 0, 3. 7. Next continuation 1, 0. 2.
2.
Next 2, 0.
1, 1.
Not 2, 0. 1, 1.
1.
See, observe. First one, left side 0 common na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second one, left side 1 common.
1 common.
2, 4. Next 1,
1, 2.
2.
2 is 6.
6. Next 1,
3.
3. 8. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now welcome. Now I want to print 7. 7. Print 7. Array 2 of
0, 3.
0. Next, just a minute. 0, 3. It will print 7. Run the program. See, last one 7, last but one 6, one first output 6. Here one small assignment to you. Small assignment. Observe, Prithvipal, you are not sending assignments. What about yesterday's assignment? Nobody sent. Try to send assignments regularly. You try to complete all assignments at least by this weekend. Say today assignment. Print two-dimensional array using nested for loop. Earlier we used single for loop for printing that single dimensional array. Next, use nested for loop for printing dimensional arrays. Suppose two-dimensional array. Print two-dimensional array using hint also I am providing using nested for loop. See, this is my requirement. Okay now?
Okay, sir.
See next.
Yes, sir.
Advantage, small topic. Advantage of arrays. Advantages and disadvantages. See, one more topic is there, Java IO operations, that we will discuss in next class on Monday. See, advantages and disadvantages of arrays. See, first, advantages. Using arrays, we can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved easily. Using arrays, we can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved easily. Next, we can get required data using index position. We can get required data using index position. Next, disadvantages. We can store fixed number of elements only. Suppose in VB script, dynamic arrays concept is there. You can change the size of the array throughout the execution. But here fixed, we can store fixed number of elements only. Next, it doesn't change its size during execution. See, it is related only. It doesn't change its size during, just a minute, during the execution. See, this is about arrays. Arrays in Java. Just recap. So far we discussed, can you list out the topics, Madhuri, what we discussed in Java for Selenium? Java for Selenium, what we discussed? Next we will meet on Monday. What we discussed? Tell me the topics. What is the first topic that we discussed in Java for Selenium? Forget about Java quick tutorial. That first 7 classes quick tutorials. 8th class onwards, detailed tutorials. You tell me, Santosh, what we discussed?
Data types.
Before data types, Java environment setup. Java environment setup. Okay, next. Comments. Okay, program structure, that is part of the concepts. comments in Java. Next,
Data types.
data types.
Data types.
Next, continue,
Variables.
Santosh.
Variables.
Before variables, we discussed one concept. Modifiers.
Modifiers.
See, this is the sequence. Why modifiers first than variables? Before variables, we use modifiers now. Suppose public int a equal to 100 like. Okay, next.
Variables.
Variables. Next. Continue, Praveen Rao.
Operators in Java.
Operators in Java. Next.
Conditional.
Java flow control. Under flow control, two types of flow control statements. One is conditional. Conditional statements. Next. Loop statements. Loop statements. Next. Today we discuss two topics. One is
String
handling. Next, arrays. Okay. Say on Monday we will start IO operations, file handling, etc. concepts. Okay, I'm going to close the session. Any queries, Aarti? Any queries?
No, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Praveen Rao?
No, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Prithvipal Singh?
No, sir, thank you.
Welcome. Santosh?
No, sir, thank you.
Welcome. Suleiman?
Yes.
Okay. Sridevi?
No, sir, thank you.
Welcome. See, we'll meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.